you're right, but you're wrong. And every time we argue, it's your fault.
It's not my fault. You self-centered fucktard ass.
Want to settle this the old-fashioned way?
Yeah, let's settle this the old-fashioned way. What do you mean?
We fight.
Sure. Just don't hit me in the nose. I bleed a lot.
Don't hit me in the mouth. My teeth might break.
Don't poke me in the eyes.
No punching or a closed fist or something.
Ooh. Just kicking them?
I actually got these sick new shoes, and I don't want to.
I got a better idea.
Matt, what are we even fighting about again?
I don't know. I said no face shots. Me in the face.
Your stick's bigger.
We don't need sticks.
You scuffed my shoe, mother.